Welcome to this episode of Been There, Done That. My name is Patricia Baronowski-Schneider, CEO of Pristine Advisors, investor relations, public relations, and media relations and marketing firm with over 3 decades of experience working in a wide variety of niches across the globe. Today we're going to talk about SEO. SEO, search engine optimization. When it comes to SEO, there's a lot more to consider than just the basics. In order to really take your SEO game to the next level, you need to start thinking about things like advanced keyword research, link building strategies, and even social media marketing. Some of the best ways to get started with advanced SEO is to invest in some quality keyword researching tools. There are a number of great options out there, but some of my favorites are SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Moz. These tools will help you uncover high-value keywords that you can then use to improve your website's ranking and search results. Another important aspect of advanced SEO is link building. This simply refers to the process of getting other websites to link back to your own. This is important because the more high-quality links you have pointing to your site, the higher your chances of ranking in search results. There are a number of different ways to go about building links, but some of the most effective include guest blogging, directory submissions, and social media outreach. Finally, don't forget about social media marketing when it comes to advanced SEO. While it's not technically part of SEO, promoting your content on social media can definitely help to increase your reach and visibility online. By following these tips, you can start to take your SEO efforts to the next level and see better results for your business. Now, advanced data research. Advanced SEO is a process that helps you optimize your website by better search engine visibility. By doing research on the keywords that people are using to find websites like yours, you can improve your site's ranking and search results. This will bring more traffic to your site and can lead to more sales and conversions. If you're serious about improving your website's SEO, then you need to invest in advanced data research. By understanding the trends and patterns in how people search for information online, you can stay ahead of the competition and make sure that your site's always visible to potential customers. There are many different tools and techniques that you can use for advanced data research, but the most important thing is to start with a solid foundation. That means understanding the basics of SEO and how it works. Once you have a good understanding of the basics, then you can start to experiment with different ways to improve the site's ranking. If you want to learn more about advanced SEO techniques, then there are many resources available online. You can find books, courses, and articles that will teach you everything you need to know. Just make sure that you're getting information from reliable sources so that you don't waste your time and money on outdated methods. Advanced SEO is an important part of any website's marketing strategy. By doing research and using the latest techniques, you can ensure that your site's always visible to potential customers. With a little effort, you can see a big difference in your website's traffic and conversions. So if you're serious about growing your business, then start investing in advanced SEO today. Then we have on-page and off-page marketing. On-page marketing is all about optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results. This can be done through optimizing your content, website design, and technical aspects like page speed and mobile friendliness. Off-page marketing refers to activities outside of your website that can help improve your search engine ranking. This can include things like link building, social media engagement, and creating high-quality content. Both on-page and off-page marketing are important for SEO success. By focusing on these two areas, you can create a well-rounded SEO strategy that will help you improve your visibility and attract more targeted traffic to your website. If you're looking to take your SEO to the next level, consider implementing some advanced on-page and off-page marketing techniques. By doing so, you can ensure that your website is optimized for success and that you're doing everything possible to attract more visitors. As the title of my post says, Been There, Done That. I can assure you that in my 35 years of working in the industry, I've done it all, and I've learned from many mistakes. I've learned so much, and I can help you do what works best to get your story in front of the audience that matters most to you. Contact me to learn more about my story. You can find out more about me on my website at www.pristineadvisors.com, and that's EDVISERS.com. You can also contact me by email at pbaronowski@pristineadvisors.com. You can reach me by telephone at 631-756-2486. Until next time.